Thanks to Maria Vision, who opened the door of St. Mark to everyone, because by May 2025, the whole altar will be restored, and the original icon of Virgin Mary, which was painted by St. Luke. When he was here, he painted Virgin Mary face to face, and we have the icon here. And we are honored that Mr. Carlos Lozoya, representative of Maria Vision, he will restore it. This is a historic event, because 2,000 years after, we are restoring it. So it's a big event. God wants His church to shine, and we want to invite every single person from all over the world to come and see St. Mark, to see the performance of what Maria Vision did and their artists. We are very thankful and very grateful to Maria Vision and its team.